In the first step, put a stockinette or apply a cotton fabric roll under the cast pad to cover the skin, decrease itching, and make the cast more comfortable. They are available in varying sizes. The cotton roll is gently wrapped around the hand and forearm. For having a fitting cast, each time the cotton roll is wrapped around the forearm, 50% of the width of the previous layer should be covered with a new layer. 50% overlap creates a double layer of padding. Now prepare the plaster bandage. For upper limbs, 12 to 40 layers of plaster is ideal to provide high mechanical strength regardless of the weight. Let the plaster layers soak in lukewarm water for a few seconds. Excess water needs to be removed by squeezing the bandage. It is better to cover the plaster bandage in 2 or 3 layers of cotton bandage to prevent it to touch the skin. Gently place the bandage under the forearm and fifth finger. Elastic bandage is a proper choice to fix and cover the plaster bandage. It should not be tightly tied.